Okay, let us see how to follow up a quotation, how to do filtering in task bench. So when you go to your inbox, you will find so many tasks. Like I have only 3 tasks here, but in your inbox maybe 80, 90 tasks are there. So you go to this filter, assign, you filter the task either by task title or task type, maybe lead or task, one of these, or you, assign to you. Click, you will find the tasks which are assigned to you. In this case, it's nothing is there. Okay, let's go again or create or find out task based on status which is very close. You go here, click very close, apply. Okay, I'm not finding anything here because I have only 3 tasks in my inbox and which are not categorized to these types. Okay, let's go to the sent item. The sent item means these are the tasks I have assigned, opened and created to other people within the organization. So I'm going to filter the task based on the person, based on the statuses. I go here and open the filter, assign to Krish. And status I want to know is, today I want to make a call. I want to make a call to first very close, which is jobs are very close. Let's go here. I filter. I found only 2 jobs which are very close under this category. Okay, I'll go and open and I will see the activity under review in touch. It is just I created this. So whatever I can delete this thing. It's just an example I updated. It is deleted and it is not gone away from the system. It is there. So whatever information he got by calling these top solutions, IWC, Molecular Grade, he has to update here in the task. Command. Client said he will confirm later. Okay, just go and do this. Post. Then go back to either task info or description. You'll find a tab here called update. Either a task or an up. Just update this so that the activity is stored here. Right. This is how you open a task, follow up, and update your information. There's one more thing you can do. See, now we've done only for the 2, right? Now let's take a normal quoted jobs status. There are many quotes are there. Let's find out from under Kushtuba how many quotes are there. Quoted. Quoted jobs. Okay, we have total of, you can see only 15 here, which is the default setting. You can make it 25 required in one page. Okay, then you can go and see, keep pressing this to see the next page. 51 to 75, 76 to 100, 100 to 125, up to 201 tasks. Okay, the beauty of the task bench is, okay, you have 200 tasks to attend, but you don't have to attend all of this in one day. Okay, you need to see what is due today. Just go here, you find Vishnuba quoted and due today. Just pick up this and apply. Nothing is due. That means none of the task has got a due date. It is not due date is not set there. Okay, now let me set due date for some other task. Okay, I'll set a due date for this. Due date, update. I'll set a due date for this as well. Update. Okay, now I'm going to do a filter. Shubha quoted. But these two jobs are not quoted actually. This is also not quoted. So you need to see the status of the jobs which are quoted already. So this is the quoted job. Okay, let's give a due date. Change the due date to 9. Let's take another one. Change the due date Armada Holding to due date to 9. Okay. Now we'll go here and do the refiltering again. We'll click assign to receiver status quoted. So you will find two tasks. So we have not clicked the date. I think the date is not saved actually. Let me just find out why it is not saved. Go to filter, assign to, apply. Let's find out this Armada job, why it's not saved here. Armada job. Okay, click open. Date is 9th. Inquiry to quote. This is already quoted. So this is not been changed. That's the reason. Okay. So now you have few quotes under today task. So what do you need to do? I am clicking send box, but you have to click your inbox because all your tasks are there in the inbox. I am clicking send box because I have sent the task to you. So Shubha, status quoted. Okay, then you will find date, today's date. So again, today's date is not clicked. You need to click done, then apply. So you will find two tasks which you have quoted February 9. You can go and see this thing, sort the task by date and timing with this arrow. So now what you need to do is you open this task, open the next task, and you can open multiple tasks in this tab. Whatever task you keep opening here, it will show up in the browser tab on the top, like a window. So you need to go to 1318, okay, then find out is there any client there, call, or you take this keyword and put it in your Gmail, find out the contact, call. See, eventually you will be having all the contacts, all the ports under the same page. When you go here, in the activity, you will find the attachment as a quote, and you will also find the customer details attached to this. So you will have all the information in one place for calling and making it easy. So what you can do is you filter this way, and you keep opening all the tabs here on the top. I'll explain you how to open this tab in just a minute. So you go and do filtering, assign to this one. Apply. Now you have so many tasks here showing. See, you can keep opening this. Go to extent or click all this. You want to follow up this 10 tasks. Click all this, open. So all the 10 is opened here. So you go here, see the activity, put your comment, call them, make your comment, save, update. Go to next one, go to activity, do this, save. When you type something here, you have to press this arrow, post comment. Then you have to comment, save. Again, same thing to the next one. So you keep doing this. It all will take only 2 minutes to make a call. And all these tasks are updated. Then come back again. Once it is done, make it 25. Go to the other 10 tasks. Open this 10 tasks. Open. All these other tasks are open. So you go scroll here, you can see all the other tasks are open. So you will have 10 tasks at a time visible on this area. Then you need to do a scrolling. So in this way, you don't have to switch over from one task to other task, close one window and go to the other window. You can have multiple tasks in your browser. You can keep updating this. It will save a lot of time compared to other softwares. Thank you.